Now let me carefully explain how to animate an AI image and create a stunning 3D scene from a simple 2D photograph, step by step, as you can see here. To start, we always use our phones for this process. Now, let's go to the AutoLS app, where you can easily edit the text as shown here. Now let's also go to this section where you can easily add your AI image. Just follow along carefully, and we'll go through the steps together to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. Here you will animate it by clicking on Generate, and if you're not satisfied with the result, we can explore other options. If you ended up with a 2D image but want a 3D effect, we can't create a full 3D scene, but we can definitely try some options. Now let's explore some options together. For instance, we can easily add a video here, as you can see, just like we did before. Now, as you can see here, we want to enhance this forest scene to make it more beautiful. Let's go ahead and explore this option. We start by selecting the first options, adding a bit to make it brighter, and then we move on to the next step. Now let's add a bit of context here. After that, we click right here and carefully add a little more to enhance the scene. We can even add a bit of light like this, as you can see, and also slightly reduce it for a more balanced effect and atmosphere. The most important thing is that we can go here, but this requires a subscription, so make sure you have it ready. If you're not satisfied with the result, let's adjust it a bit. You can set it to 70, and we can explore other options together. If you don't like the light, we can carefully reduce it a bit more here too. Basically, you will have a lot of options, and you can also add some cool filters to enhance it further. This filter is truly amazing, as you can see here. It's absolutely the best one ever. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye for now.